Hi there, welcome to my groom shop. My 1030 dogs are here, and the welcoming committee is here, my basset hounds. But don't you worry, I'm getting ready to put them away before I start working on the Yorkies. One is a boy, and the other one is his sister, which obviously is a girl. My dogs are desperately trying to sniff them out. I'm not sure what happened, but about the first 30 seconds of this video is really sped up way too fast, so bear with me. It slows back down in a minute. But I'm starting off the grooming with the girl, and we're going to focus on her. I'm not going to show the grooming of the boy because they're basically getting the same thing. They're both getting Schnauzer bodies with a little round face. I recorded a quick before and after of the boy. It's at the very end of this video. If you want to skip ahead or if you want to watch to the very end, you'll see how he turned out. But see, I put my basset hounds away because they can't behave when I'm grooming, so they are going to a timeout. This is Tater. He can just lay in this. It's an extra large crate. He's got plenty of room and some blankets. So I'm going to go ahead and finish blow drying her. Let me just stop here real quick and clean my blade off, which I forgot to do. Her owner does not like me to put this loop around her neck. So I have it looped under her arm and over her other shoulder. Just so you know, I'm going to start off by shaving her feet. She is getting clean feet. Like a poodle, they're called poodle feet, and I'm shaving her feet with a 40 blade. Now her mother, her dog mom I should say, used to be so worried about dropping her off. I guess because she was just worried about her. But as you can see, this dog is very good. I mean, I have no problem with her at all. She's perfect. Look at those cute little shaved feet. And I'm going to go ahead and cut her nails. Her nails are so tiny, I have to actually use cat clippers.
Oop. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. One more. There we go.
And her dog mom said to get her nails as short as possible, so I'm also dremeling her nails just to sand down or round off the edges, get them a little bit shorter.
Real quick.
I'm using a number 3 blade on her back, which will leave her back about an inch left, so not too short. Her belly and sides are matted, which I did not realize. So this dog, even though she seems like she'd be really easy to groom, she took forever just because I had to carefully go through and remove the mats without trying to screw up her haircut. See, everywhere I combed, I would find little mats in her hair. Hey guys, if you want your dog to have a really fancy hairstyle, brush your dog before they go to the groomer, and then we can do whatever cut you want. But if you bring us a dog with mats, you're not going to get the best haircut, especially if we're cutting out a bunch of hair. It's just not going to look as good as it could. I'm lifting her back legs up and shaving her whole belly out because there were some mats under here, but But I usually shave their bellies out anyway with a 10 blade. That just keeps it clean under there, especially when they go to the bathroom. It's hard to get under there because she's so close to the table, so I have to lift her up to shave her belly out. Trying to get rid of these mats in here, but honestly, she's so small and fragile, I'm afraid of cutting her. This is a hard area to maneuver. The reason why this is so hard to do is because her owner wants me to leave hair on her stomach. And I'm trying to remove the mats without making it noticeable, but it actually turned out pretty good. She has more mats here on her back ankle, so I have to stop and go get my thinning shears. I'm just going to thin this out to remove it so I don't have to pull so hard on the tangles. So her legs are really long, and then I have her feet shaved with the 40 blade. So I'm going around and blending in her ankles to her feet. And now I'm making my way around to the other side, and we have the same issue over here where her side and belly is all matted. I'm working my way around to her front legs, and look at those cute little teeny tiny feet sticking out of her front legs. So cute. I found some more mats on her front legs. In your typical Yorkie cut, we would shave the top, it's like the top third of their ears. But her owner likes the whole ear shaved, so I'm shaving her whole ear with the number 10 blade. I'm taking my slightly curved scissors and just going around and trimming up the edge of her ear. If you hear whining in the background, my basset hounds do not want to be locked up right now, and they're crying, but they'll be okay. Some groomers do not like to scissor the top of the nose. See how her hair is crazy on the top of her nose? Well, her owner said that she wants me to scissor it down. So if you see me scissor down the top of the nose, that is the owner's request. Just saying. And her dog mom likes a fuller face. Me personally, I like a shorter face. I would have cut all this hair off the beard, but she likes it longer, so I'm leaving it longer. This little dog is getting cuter and cuter by the second. I think her hair turned out pretty darn good considering she had a bunch of little mats all over her legs. I'm using my 7 skip tooth blade just to go around and skim off any scraggly hairs that are sticking out. And I'm using my chunkers to blend in her beard so it looks more natural. We're about done here. I'm going to spray her down with some conditioner and wipe her off with a fragrance-free baby wipe. If you like watching dog grooming videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the little bell and you'll be notified when a new video comes out, which is most days. And the big moment she's been waiting for. She is getting an adorable collar bow with strawberries and a little red diamond. I do sell these on my Etsy shop. They are handmade and the link will be in the description. And they come in 4 sizes and will fit any dog. This dog is too cute. Trying to get a good shot of her bow and the front of her face, but they never want to look directly at me. And here is her brother before his haircut. He's getting the same haircut. I shaved his little feet. You see the before and after foot right there. And here he is with his haircut. Thanks for watching.